And so another unique chemistry, G-ænial universal flow, is quite interesting. It's been out for a couple of years now. Operates just like a flowable, but it truly is just like a normal restorative. It just has a little more viscosity to it. It's bis GMA free, radiopaque, easy to see on your x-rays when the patient comes back for evaluation, and very good strength properties such that you could leave it as a standalone restoration in class 1s and class 4s, areas that would normally not be an area you would put a flowable material. Furthermore, very unique chemistry inside of it that has a different type of filler technology. And this nanofiller that GC is utilizing is high density uniform dispersion compared to many of the clusters that we find in most products. Give it some really high wear resistance as well as some really interesting physical properties as far as strength, but still maintaining a wonderful appearance, a nice shine that truly gets better with time, which becomes interesting. And if you look at a comparison of filler technology on the market from some different products out there, you'll notice that the G-ænial product line, Sculpt, as well as Universal Flow and Flow, all have a very unique fine particle size, unlike many of the other systems out there that have these larger conglomerates. And that's one of the interesting chemistries behind the G-ænial product range, is these nanoparticles that they're utilizing. So this particular flowable can be utilized in class 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s because of its high strength properties derived by these nanofillers, but at the same time creating something that has a great polish and great visual appearance and is very easy to polish and maintain a polish, like I said, getting better with time. And so you'll notice with potential products on the market still that have these larger conglomerates or aggregates of material, they're always going to be kind of rough because of those plucking out, versus the smaller particle size, the nanoparticles allow it to maintain a better, smoother surface. With time and wear, it actually gets better. So you get a very nice looking product over time. And again, it goes throughout the whole product range because of the unique chemistry they're putting into this particular products. And so here's just some of the composites on the market, and you'll see the self-polishing effect, the gloss over time from toothbrush wear, that these are actually getting better over time compared to many of the traditional composites on the market. And where the wear resistance becomes interesting also, just like the polish, the opposing wear that's going to happen from opposing tooth or opposing ceramic, that abrasion that occurs doesn't cause that same type of plucking effect that creates these defects that allow stains to get in there. And so that's part of the reason why it looks good, but also the small particles, just like traditional microfills, have some of the lowest wear on the market. And again, comparing to many of the different products on the market that all of us have and use, you can see the wear resistance that they're getting with these products is quite unique. So just, again, an interesting chemistry change to make a better product. If you worry about radiopacity and proximal boxes to be able to pick it up on your gold standard x-rays, well, you can see that here, obviously, the radiopacity is quite good, mimicking that closely to enamel and definitely better than dentin. And so the ability to see it later on becomes very advantageous in your diagnosis utilizing traditional modalities.